So ayun guys, orders ready tayo. Guys, naka-receive kami ng order ng 2 tapsilog mula sa Talabat application. So, once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good food. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So guys, if you want to order through Talabat, the link is already there. You will just click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, choose your favorite food combination. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.